Hello everyone, it's the first tutorial for building the website by using WordPress, powered by myexcelclass.com. Before we start tutorial, you have some information where do you want to start. First of all, you have to the following step follow. First step is you have the theme setup. Second, you have the WordPress package. It is not necessary that you have the latest version of WordPress package. You can also use the oldest version of WordPress. It is depend on you that in which version you are expert, or you can easily build your website. So now I have the link where you can easily download the theme setup. Open your browser, go to the link sourceforge.net, sourceforge.net. Now you can see that this website contains all important and most useful softwares. In the search bar, type the XAMPP. It provides the result for theme. On the top of the list, the theme is available. Click on the theme, or directly you can click on the download now button. It's saying that your download will start in 5 seconds. The internet download manager download kit pop-up menu open, and this is the link where your setup will be downloaded. It is the extension .exe, and it contains the 143.91 MB size. If I download it now, it will take more time than we expected. So I have already downloaded it before we start this work. Here is the theme setup. Open it. Yes. It's loading. It is the question, and it is want some from you to cite that it seems you have an antivirus failing. In some cases, this may slow down or interfere the installation of the software. Please visit the following link to learn more about this. Here is the link, and he is asking that continue with installation. It means that in my computer the antivirus is running, so you can disable the antivirus for some minutes, like 10 minutes. But I didn't disable the antivirus, and I am clicking on the yes button. It gives the warning that activity user accounts control on your system. Some functions of them are also restricted. With UAC, please provide install them to see program files missing with permission. It means that the default path of the XAMPP setup will be installed in your C hard drive. So in some cases there will be the risk of the security will be high. So if you want to change the path of your installed directory of XAMPP setup, so you can easily change in the next step of the installation of the XAMPP setup. Click on the OK button. Welcome to XAMPP Setup Wizard. Click on the next button. Check all this item. Click on the next button. Here is the path where you want to install your XAMPP. I take it to default, but if you want to change this path, so you can change from the click on this icon and select your path where you want to install. Click on the next button. The selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. It means that I have already installed this software, but in some case I uninstalled this. So if its warning comes to your screen, you can go to your C hard drive. Here is the already installed XAMPP setup, but in the XAMPP folder there is no all files contains. So you can delete this file, and now you can click on the next button. If you want to learn more about Vietnamese for XAMPP, so you can check this box and click on the next button. Setup is now ready to begin installation XAMPP on your computer. So now, while we are waiting for, click on the next button, and now XAMPP is going to install in our computer. In the meantime, we can download the WordPress package from the WordPress.org. Open the new tab, www.wordpress.org. Here you can see that download the WordPress button is available. Click on this. This WordPress version is 4.0.1. It means that this is the latest version, so we can download it, and it contains the zip file with 6.3 MB size. Click on the download WordPress 4.0.1. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to download. And XAMPP also will take 3 to 4 minutes to complete this installation. In the meantime, I will discuss with you some on topic. In the first tutorial of the WordPress, we will teach how to install WordPress on local, how to configure the WordPress setting, this is the 2 step we will teach, and now the 3rd step is how to edit pages, remove, edit, etc. How to work in WordPress, like shopping, designing, using another theme, customization, and much more. But I want to introduce first what is the WordPress. WordPress is the amazing tool which will help us to make a responsive website in every theme. It contains the most easiest way, the most responsible website, and the most easiest WordPress package. So now the WordPress package needs 2 to 3 minutes to complete its downloading, and then complete also 2 to 3 minutes to complete its installation. So in every website you can see that there is a navigation like pages, main, home, about us, contact us, our products, our items, and much more. So in the WordPress there is the menus in which you will add your published pages and easily align your pages as you want. WordPress having also the ability and having also the facility to show their comments to your WordPress site. And secondly, here is a setting in which you want to what your browser URL mean. We add a simple home page. In some website it shows that website.com/home. Sometimes it shows that website.com/ and some other encryption data mean HUK936. Sometimes it shows that website.com/page ID is equal to 7 or 9, etc. So you can handle your browser link on your WordPress easily. And secondly, you can change your WordPress password. You can change your website with another theme. It is the most important that what is your theme on which you are working on. So we are waiting for download and installing the WordPress and sample. You can see that WordPress 4.0.1 is now downloaded, and we are waiting for completing the installation of the XAMPP setup. Let's decide where to start working. Before the XAMPP install completely, I want to tell you that it is the zip folder of the XAMPP. So you have to access to WordPress 4.0.1 to a folder, because we need a folder to copy into the XAMPP SCDocs folder, where we can easily access on localhost. It's going to complete. The WordPress folder is accessed completely. Now this is not important for us. You can see that the folder name is going to WordPress, and there is another file. This file contains the admin file. There is the WP content where your plugins and themes are available. You can also download another plugins and copy it in the folder, or directly install the plugin from the WordPress. The same option is available in the themes. If you want to download directly, so you can, or if you want to copy your theme, you can. It is some dynamic work is here. The WP- include. Now it is the last step of the XAMPP setup. It will work automatically. You can see that setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start your control panel now? The control panel of the XAMPP is where you can start the service of Apache and MySQL. Click on the finish button. Now the control panel of the XAMPP is open. Minimize this Windows command prompt. Start the Apache services. And now you can see that Apache service is not starting. Try another time to Apache starting the services. If more than 2 or 3 times, if the Apache service is not starting, don't take tension, because we have this also solution for this. open the XAMPP control panel and run as administrator. Yes. Now you can see that it is also running the services of Apache and it contains the AT port. So stop this service and quit. Now start the XAMPP control panel normally and you can see that Apache service is going to start and it is successfully started. Also start the MySQL services. Both are successfully started. Now I have one information to provide to you, that Apache not starting in XAMPP. So it contains two problems. First is that check that XAMPP is already running or not by opening the XAMPP control panel as run as administrator. Second is that if your Skype is running, so you have to quit, not minimize, not close, you have to quit the Skype and try to start these Apache services. So it is the first problem of the XAMPP control panel where the all beginners are stuck. So what he can do. So don't take tension, because we are available for helping you. Now all things are fine. We are going to start our WordPress site building. As I say you that copy the WordPress folder into the XAMPP htdocs folder. It's your choice to change your WordPress folder name or not, but I am going to change this WordPress folder to tutorial. Now copy this folder, go to XAMPP, go to htdocs and paste it. Second step is go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. It is the phpMyAdmin where you can create your database. But we start the database creation. If I stop this both services, then I refresh this page. You can see that the page is not available. Try to reload. It will not start until you start the services of Apache and MySQL. Both are successfully started. Now you can see that automatically refresh the page and we can see that the localhost/phpMyAdmin. So go to databases, create your database name. It's all your choice what you want to give your database name. I'm going to give the database name WP and click on the create option. Database W has been created. Now the another step is go to localhost / your folder name. So what is the name of our folder, which I have copied in the XAMPP and htdocs folder, which is the tutorial. Now copy this folder name, paste it and try. It's taking a time. Now you can see that the WordPress option is now going to start, but if I change this tutorial folder name to WordPress and now try to refresh this page, so you can see that object not found because the URL is not correct, because the folder name is not available in the XAMPP like tutorial folder. So rename it to your folder name, try to refresh. So what's your language you want to select? English, continue. Welcome to WordPress. Now it is saying that before getting started we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following item before proceeding: database name, which we create the database in the localhost /phpMyAdmin, which is WP. Database username will be taking as a root. Database password field will be empty. Database host will be the localhost because we are working on localhost. Table prefix, if you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database. We are going to use this information to create a wp-config.php file. If for any reason this automatic file creation doesn't work, don't worry, it's been all over. Then if automatically your WordPress configuration file not working, go to your XAMPP htdocs folder, which is giving the path. Now you can see that wp-config-sample.php. Open this page. I am opening with the notepad. You can open it as you want. Now you can see that where is the database, where is the username, so it will be more difficult to you. So I should open in the Remover CS file. Oh my god. Guys, don't try. Try to open in Notepad. So if sometime it happen with you, so you can edit your database username from here. You can see that database for WordPress defined DB name, database name here. What's our database name? WP. So you can set your database name here. What's your username? Username here. Username is the root. So type the root here. And next step. Now click on the let's go button. If sometime it's not working, then we can use the wp-config-simple way. But if it is working, so don't take tension, because it is the most easiest way to give the information of your WordPress and username and password details. So whatever database name is WP, what's our username is root, what's our password is empty. So go to the submit button. Alright Sparky, you have made it to this part of the solution. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you're ready, time now to run the install. It means that all of your given information is correct, and now you can go to run the installation. Click on the run install. It is the some basic information which will display on your WordPress site. So you can give your subtitle. I am going to give the tutorial. What is the username? Make sure that use your username which will not be changed. If you type admin, so it in the future it can be changed. So I am taking username as an admin. Give your password. Your email is most necessary to provide. Without email address, you can't go to WordPress dashboard. Basically, WordPress dashboard is the main page of your login screen, where you can add, manage, and much more can work. So now it's saying that success, WordPress has installed. We were expecting more steps, sorry to disappoint. Your username is admin. Your password, your chosen password. Go to the login screen. What's your username? Username is admin, and tap your password. Now click on the login screen. Hooray! Here is the dashboard, and now you have done the WordPress installation. Congratulations! Now let's see what our website is going. Go to the tutorial drop down, can click on visit site, and now you can see that your site is going to loading. My God! It's saying that hello world. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit, delete it, then start plugin. Now I am going to introduce that what things are available on this page. You can easily see that it is the search bar. It is this page. This is your WordPress site, which you provide while you editing, inserting your details. It is the tagline. It is also the search button. It contains recent posts you added. It is the recent comments, where the people comments on your product, on your categorized items. It is the archive, the own item you inserted in the current month or before the current month. It will show here categories. What are categories are available on your site. Meta, site admin, logout, increase, comments, WordPress.org. Proudly powered by WordPress. So let's check out the sample page. Now you can see that it is our comments box. Let's take a page. Now we are going to adding a new page. You can see that here is the only one page which we discussed on this. So click on the add new page. The page name will be home. Now you can see that it is the option what you want to do. Do you want to save this page or not? Do you want to preview this page or not? Stitches, what is the stitches? Draft, it's mean that if you didn't do anything it will be draft. Visibility, publish immediately. Move to trash bin, it will go to the recycle bin. It will move to the deleted items, but it will not be deleted permanently. If you want to delete it permanently, click on the move to trash. Wait a second, I think we should to publish it first. Now you can see that what are the items are available. Home, sample page. Now if I click on this move to trash, it will move to trash, and here is only one trash. All is one, published is one, and trash is one. And what is the trash item? Trash item is home. If you want to delete it permanently from your WordPress web page size, so click on the delete permanently. Or if you want to restore your item, click on to restore. It is so simple. And now you can see that all items are on restore page is here. Now click on the side or refresh this page, and you can easily see that the another home page is now available. Congratulations on your first adding the new page. Now the most important thing I want to tell you that it is the design of our normal website. So if I change the WordPress theme, what will be look and feel? You can see that here is the appearance in the themes. Here are 3 default themes are available. First is 2014, second is 2013, third is 2012. The recent or current theme is activated is 2014. Here is the status. What is the status of this theme? Active 2014. Here is some description if you want to read. But what will happen if I click on this activate of the theme 2013? Let's check out. You can click on the theme or click on this activate button, or directly you can click on this activate button. Now the status change. Active theme is 2013 and the active theme is 2014. Let's refresh your WordPress and check out the what is the look and feel. You can see that your whole website is changed. Your header is changed, your navigation is changed, your heading is changed, your content, your footer, all items have been changed. So you are the most easiest way taking and take your website beautifully, attractive and responsive and professionally. what is the best thing which will guide you, which will help you to build your website dynamically and professionally. So guys, I hope you will like our tutorial series. In the next tutorial I will teach you much more.